Hello there. In this module, I'm going to walk you through how to target and retarget your Facebook audience through Facebook Ads Manager and the Facebook Pixel. This strategy is only applicable once you have your email list and engagements on your site. For targeting, I'm going to guide you on how to create Lookalike Audience with Facebook Ads Manager. And for retargeting, I'm going to be utilizing Facebook Pixel. Lookalike Audience is an approach that allows you to reach out to new people that are likely to be interested in your product or service. You don't have to compile all your data or statistics to get this approach running. What you need is your email list to be uploaded to Facebook Adverts Manager. To create Lookalike Audience, go to Adverts Manager at your Audiences section. Click on Create Audiences at the top left and then select Create a Lookalike Audience from the drop-down. Next, choose Custom Audience and select Customer File. You can either choose a file or copy and paste your customer's data or import your customer's email addresses. In the next section, you're prompted to choose the country where you'd like to find a similar customer base. Finally, choose your desired audience size with the slider and click Create Audience. From here, Facebook will find the people who are most likely to be interested in your product or service. The next strategy is utilizing retargeting on your Facebook advertising campaigns with Facebook Pixel. Facebook Pixel is a piece of code that allows you to measure, optimize, and build audiences for your ad campaigns. With Facebook Pixel, you can track the actions visitors take on your website across devices, and this will inform you the performance of your Facebook ads. Among the various interactions that Facebook Pixel will track is tracking how your customers are moving between devices before conversion happens. This will determine the number of visitors and the percentage of users who would see your ad across desktop or mobile. Facebook Pixel will optimize your ads to target people who are most likely to take action, and this is defined as either making a purchase or signing up for an application. Facebook Pixel will also automatically run ads based on the relevance and best time for visitors to visit your site. So if you're running an ad and there are no actions taken, then you'd want to kill the ad and change to a new one. In Facebook advertising, it's all about testing and more testing to get it right. Another approach is to retarget your audience back to your upsells. How this strategy works is that after your audience has interacted with your ads and no purchases or conversions took place, what you can do is retarget your sales ads back to these audiences for another chance of selling. A smart way is to create an ad that specifically targets their most likely reason of not buying or converting. If you want to invest more resources on your ads, place more emphasis on your back-end sales instead, because that's the part where you make the most money out of it. That marks the end of this module. In summary, with these two strategies of utilizing Facebook Ads Manager and Facebook Pixel, you're saving your time and resources by coming up with better ads to suit your audience.